While latest Covid-19 test results show Uganda President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni remains Covid-19 positive, the president, who is in isolation, says in spite of a few health challenges, he managed to sleep and is upbeat even though he remains ill. The president says that he shall wait for a few more days and check again. In the meantime, he remains in self-isolation at Nakasero. Museveni, who announced last week that he had tested positive for the coronavirus, has dismissed reports that he is very ill. In a statement sent out to the newsrooms, the president advises individuals to get fully vaccinated against the coronavirus and that the elderly should get booster shots.